Hi, Assalamualaikum, and very good day to Mr. Farid and all. So my name is Noriza Shafika. Me and my group mates, we are from group 7. So we are going to explain about Malaysian Care and their accounting system. So Malaysian Care is a non-governmental organization or NGO that operates independently and typically a non-profit organization that operates outside government control. So basically, this company has established in 1979, and also it's committed to serve some poor and needy irrespective of religion and ethnicity. So basically, the organization's nature business is, as we all know, it's a non-profit organizations, and also it's focusing on social work, community development, and care services. Their main program comprise of ladang care, toy library, and prison ministry. The organization generates its revenue through various sources, including donations and sponsorships for individuals, church, and also some corporations to fund their operations. Their annual revenue is about like around 5.2 Malaysian ringgit, 5.2 million Malaysian ringgit in year 2022, and also in year 2023 they are generating some revenue around 5.7 million Malaysian ringgit. You can see this revenue record from their website, their Malaysian Care website. The finance team consists 3 members and also supported with 2 volunteers. They do have their own assistant director, 2 executive, and also 2 volunteers. And also the structure and authorization limit are based on their designations. So of course, the main or we call it as the board of Malaysian Care. They do have their authorization, the highest one, which is more than 20,000 ringgit per authorization. Malaysian Care use an accounting software which is SQL to capture and manage their accounting transactions. SQL accounting is actually one of the popular choice among Malaysian non-profits and businesses due to their user-friendly interface, compliance and local tax regulations, and also a strong financial reporting features. As everyone knows, SQL accounting software consists of 6 main core modules, which is General Ledger, Customer, or to be called as Account Receivable, AR, and then they do have their Supplier or Account Payable in accounting system, Sales for invoicing and quotation, Purchases for procurement and expenses, and also Stock for inventory management. So basically, Malaysian Care has tailored its use to only 2 main core, which is General Ledger and Customer, or to be called as Account Receivable. They are using these 2 items or 2 modules to align with their specific organization needs. This module is actually quite effective to support their financial operations, including their fund management, donating, tracking, and comprehensive financial reporting. So I will explain to you about the General Ledger first. General Ledger is actually a complete record of all financial transactions, including all module that is included in the SQL accounting software for every company. So it is actually consists of multiple accounts that summarize financial data for preparing financial statements. So GL is actually structured based on COA, or the long name is actually Chart of Accounts, to ensure their transactions are categorized correctly. So they are contents of all of these accounts. Number 1 is assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and also expenses. Transactions from sales, purchases, payrolls, and also bank reconciliations are actually automatically recorded in the General Ledger. This reduces many entry errors and improve some efficiency. Modern account software provides real-time updates in the General Ledger. So it is also helps some business owners and accountants to make it more quick for the decisions in the financial. So for like example, they can view in daily cash flow, outstanding invoices, and also expenses in real time. So I'm going to explain more and another subtopic in the GL, which is Chart of Account or COA. So basically, this COA is the foundation of any accounting system. Without all these COA structure, financial transactions cannot be recorded accurately, which is it can be affected in financial reporting, compliances, and also decision making.
receivable track
In the
income fund
SQL accounting
mainly
system,
from
the
donation and
COA is
grants.
actually
Unlike
created in the general
businesses,
ledger, as
Malaysian Care doesn't
informed
have
previously,
many
and
receivable
also
because
it can
most
maintain
donation
account
are
submodule
upfront.
as shown
They
in
use
the
the AR
sample,
module to
which is
track
we already
grant and program fees
pasted in
and
the
issues received
report.
only after
The
the
COA
fund
is
are
actually,
confirmed.
we can define it
By
as
managing AP
how
and AR
financial can be
effectively,
recorded,
Malaysian Care
can be
ensure that
categorized, can be
their
reported.
financial
So without
record
it,
are accurate
the
and
transaction
transparent,
cannot be
which is
classified
crucial for donor
accurately or maybe
trust
correctly.
and compliance.
A structured COA can help some accountant to track some income, expenses, financial performances. Without the proper COA, accounting system can be disorganized or maybe they do have their error prone.
My presentation will cover payroll, bank reconciliation, and fixed asset management. Number 1, payroll. The organization records salary payments through journal entries. To record it, an account code must be created in the chart of accounts for double entry purposes. In the chart of account, cash in bank is categorized as current asset. Wages, staff EPF, staff SOCSO, and income tax are categorized as current liabilities. Salaries is categorized as expenses. Double entry for payroll accounts. Debit salary expenses, EPF employer contribution, SOCSO employer contribution, and credit bank account, EPF payable, SOCSO payable, income tax payable.
Now, let's move to inventory
A
management.
well-managed payroll system helps organizations ensure
Malaysian Care
timely
use
salary
SQL
disbursements,
accounting software
accurate transactions
to manage
recording,
their
and
inventory.
ultimately
This system
contributing
offers
to
several
smooth
key
financial
features.
operations.
First, stock tracking.
Number 2, bank
This allows
reconciliation.
them to monitor
Bank
inventory
reconciliation
level in real time.
is the process of
stock in
matching
and
and
out.
verifying
They can
transactions
record when
recorded
goods
in
are
the
received
accounting
or
system
issued.
with the company's bank
Multi-location
statement.
tracking. This is
This
especially
ensures
useful for
accuracy in
NGO
financial
like Malaysian
records
Care,
and
which
helps
may operate
identify
across different
discrepancies
sites.
such as missing
Budget and
transactions,
expiry tracking.
errors, or
For
fraudulent
perishable
activities.
item
A
like
regular
food or
bank
medical
reconciliation
supplies,
helps
these
ensure
features
its
help
accounting
them
records
manage
tally with
expiry
the bank
date to
statement.
avoid
By
waste.
reconciling transactions
Report and
frequently,
analysis.
the
The
organization
system
can
generates
identify
detailed reports,
discrepancies,
giving them
detect
insight
errors,
into stock
prevent
movement
fraud,
and
and
valuation.
maintain accurate financial records.
So,
Number 3,
for
fixed asset
example,
management.
Malaysian Care manage
Fixed
items
asset
like
management
donated
refers to
goods
tracking,
such as
maintaining, and
food, clothing,
depreciating
and medical
long-term
supplies.
assets such as
Relief
building,
supplies
machinery, vehicles,
for
and
programs
equipment.
like Ladang Care
To
and
record
Toy
fixed
Library,
asset purchase,
education
debit fixed
material
asset,
like books
credit
and
bank or cash. To record depreciation, debit depreciation expense, credit accumulated depreciation. To record fixed asset disposal, debit bank, debit accumulated depreciation, credit fixed asset. Debit loss on disposal or credit gain on disposal. Effective fixed asset management ensures that organization accurately tracks, maintains, and optimizes the use of its asset.
While total expenditure exceed could add declining donations and grants by donors and also government agencies. And then the second one, increased operational costs, rising expenses in salaries, utilities, rental, and program costs. Okay, the next one is budget overrun, whereby could be they run on poor financial planning. Also, inefficient fund utilization, delayed financial statement. For an organization, are possible causes of financial loss. It enables stakeholders to make informed decision about investing, lending, and managing the business. Second one, they provide a clear and accurate picture of the business financial performance, position, and potential for future growth. Okay, and then by analyzing these statements, stakeholders can identify the trends, assess risks, and also develop strategies to ensure the business long-term success.
It's my turn to cover cost accounting and tax compliance. Cost accounting is a valuable tool and method of tracking, analyzing all the costs involved in producing a product or service, which allow a company to determine the exact cost of each product or service. This helps in pricing decision, budgeting, cost control, profitability, and identify area for improvement. It's applied for profit and non-profit organization. In Malaysia Care, they are using cost accounting to accurately track, allocate expenses associated with their program and operation. They are using activity-based costing, ABC method, to allocate costs fairly across program based on actual resources usage. There have a few benefits to using ABC method. The first one is more accurate costing, which ensure that each program is covered in fair. Second one is better financing transparency, provide donor with detailed cost breakdown. The third one is informed decision making, which optimize resources allocate and budgeting. And lastly, is improve accountability, show how funds are being used efficiently. The component of cost accounting is direct cost, indirect cost, fixed cost, valuable cost, overhead cost. Now I'm talk about the tax compliance. In Malaysia, NGO can apply tax exempt status. NGO like Malaysia Care is a non-profit organization must adhere to specific tax compliance requirement to maintain their operation ready. Before I end, I would like to touch on available tax exemption. To clarify it, an organization must conduct activity that align with the category outlined in subsection 44, bracket 7 of Income Tax Act 1967. This category activity must benefit to the community.
For example, finance officer responsible to record transaction and prepare voucher, followed by finance manager is to review the transaction and approve the payment. Executive director responsible approve high value transaction. Board treasurer is review financial report. Program manager role is monitor project budget. The last one is internal and external auditor. By implementing structured financial control, role-based access and multi-level approval, the organization maintain accurate financial record, prevent fraud, and support effective decision-making. Regular audit and clear reporting framework further strengthen financial integrity, ensuring sustainable and responsible financial management. That's all for our presentation. Thank you, Sir Farid, for the watching.